Hi, I'm May.
And I'm Robin, and today we're back in the main library to show you 5 secrets about the main library we bet you never knew. Come with us and your library experience will never be quite the same.
So the first secret is that you can actually borrow a laptop from the library. Let me show you how. So after scanning your ID, you click accept, and then you're directed to a locker number, which is this one. You can tell because it's blinking. So you come down here, you scan your ID again, and then you can open it. And now we have a laptop for the day. Make sure to return the laptop after you use it, and you do this by going right back to where you borrowed it from, clicking return, scan your ID. Don't forget to pop it on charge. There you go.
So the second secret of the main library is just inside the main entrance here on the right. And it's a temporary ID card terminal. We've all done it, we've all turned up at the library without our cards. This is a real lifesaver. All you do, you put your uni ID into the computer with your uni email, your password, and out comes a temporary card that you can use throughout the day. Really good if you're in a hurry and you come out without your card. Let's go to secret number 3. One of the surprising things about the University Library here in Birmingham is that during term time it's open 24 hours a day, and that means that some people really do work all the way through the night. In order to help you do that, the UoB Library has something quite special. Let's come and look. And this is a surprise, it's a blanket box. You can borrow these blankets any time of day or night. All you have to do is to remember to return it in the return blankets box at the end of your shift.
Secret number 4 is in the basement. It's the research reserve that has some of the rarer books here at UoB. Come have a look.
So the research reserve is in the basement, and it's a real treasure house to some of the rarer stuff here at UoB. So most of the books in the research reserve can be borrowed or even fetched for you if you request it via Find It at Birmingham. Some of the books, however, can't be taken out, and those will be flagged up on Find It at Birmingham when you search for them. One of the fun things about the research reserve are what we call the spiders, which are these rotating handles that move the whole shelves, and you just have to remember to make sure that nobody is trapped inside before you wind them up. And there's even more, because there's one more secret we'd like to show you, and that's the study spaces. Here at UoB, the main library has nearly 2,000 individual study spaces, and like people, the study spaces are all different. There are some for group work, some for totally silent work, and there are even some very special rooms that you can use for 1 or 2 people.
So this is one of the group study rooms. You normally have to book in advance to get in, but if it's free, you can just swipe your ID. There you go. So these rooms are designed for 2 or more people if you want to study with your friends or do some work with the group.
So this is one of the more traditional study areas, which is a technically quiet zone. It's actually one of my favourite areas to work. It's a place really full of light. It's very spacious, and it's a great place just to relax and to get on with your work.
So we have the Wilson room, which is really great for group study. Just in front of the Wilson room is the vending machine, where you can grab a cheeky little drink if you're feeling thirsty.
And just opposite the Wilson room is one of the coffee shops. This is one of my hangouts. Really nice cappuccino, plus cake and everything you want in terms of snacks. Really cool. So there we go. We hope you've enjoyed this tour of some of the library's main secrets, and we look forward to seeing you here in due course. Take care. Cheerio. Bye. Bye.